Welcome back, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this, it's John again. And today we're going to do a little Move to Improve game called Freeze and Groove, but it's a math edition. So if you notice behind me, we have a little whiteboard here. And we have a simple math equation. Before I get into the math equation, what you want to do is you want to set up a multiple choice board or worksheet or something along those lines. And you want to assign each letter or choice with a movement. So for example, A is mountain climbers, which looks like that. B, knees to elbow. C, jumping jacks. And D, crisscross. I had kind of made up this movement today. Just looks like this. So once you assign the movement to each answer, you can go ahead and create some math equations depending on what level. Fifth graders, you can make it a little bit more challenging. Second graders, choose something that's appropriate, and parents, you can help out with that. So I just showed a simple math equation here, 13 minus 7. And I have 4 choices, A, 20, B, 21, C, 19, and D, 6. So I'm looking at the math equation, looking to solve it, and when I come up with my answer, instead of calling out, it's D, what I'm going to do is actually do the movement. So I know the answer is D, so we do a little crisscross movement. You can adjust this any way you'd like. Different movements for different answers, difficulty of the problem. You can even add more multiple choice questions to make it more interesting, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to introduce you to a different version of the game, which requires you to move around the room. So before I actually start, I assigned each answer with a different part of my house. So A is the kitchen, B is the bedroom, C is the bathroom, and D is the corner of the room. Now you don't have to be that dramatic with where you are in the house. You can simply assign each corner of the room as an answer, but you can get really creative, and kids, you get to really choose and have some fun with this game. Okay, so we have our math equation here, 13 minus 7, and think about it for a second. The answer would be 6, and D is my correct answer. So D is the corner of the room. So in order to answer this question and to show my grown-up what the correct answer is, I would have to go to the corner of the room. But here's where it gets interesting. You get to choose how you move there. So you can either hop, you could skip, you could walk. Get really creative with it. So I'm going to choose to, let's do hop. So I'm going to hop to that corner of the room. You can't really see me, but just trust I'm there. So I'm hopping to the corner of the room to show that my answer is D. So again, you could change up the math questions, make it a little more challenging, less challenging. You could assign different areas of the house for your answers. Get really creative with this. And hope you guys have fun and enjoy it.